Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis newsletter. Today, September 28th, 2014. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at market trend and our strategy. US stock market uptrend is under pressure. A few strong stocks remain strong, and a lot of them has broken down. The strong stocks include GoPro. And I'm currently still long the market, but I have fewer stocks, long position. I'm more focused on those good, those few the best stocks. Let's take a look at the indices and their charts. DAX index break down again. It previously break down pretty hard, rebound, and didn't reach previous high, and now came down again. This is not good for German stock market, as well as not good for the world stock market, because German usually lead the world market. Shanghai Stock Exchange is on the uptrend. This is a very strong stock, but it's a A-share market. It's not open to U.S. investor. Nasdaq index came down. This is rolling over, and right now is right on the 50-day moving average. Mid cap rolling over again. Small cap is already been in a downtrend here for a long time, and small cap is really underperform and big cap, and it just hasn't gone anywhere. So SP 500 big cap, it just broke down here with a higher volume when they're on a down day than the volume of when it's up day. So this is not a good sign. Gold is a very strong downtrend. Silver, very strong downtrend. Gold mining stock ETF, very strong downtrend. US dollar is going up pretty nicely. Crude oil going down. FXI is a China ADR stock, 25 largest Chinese company who are selling their ADR in US, and this ETF is going down, so it broke down previous support. That's not a good sign. IYR is the real estate ETF. Right now it seems like it's going to go down. GGC is a copper price is going down. This is a mortgage fund price, and it's kind of consolidating right now, and so the mortgage rate is not going anywhere. So we have to watch the bond fund price closely. SMH is a semiconductor, still in the uptrend. Social media network ETF looks like it's gonna come down. This solar company ETF is consolidating. XLE energy ETF is coming down pretty hard and break 50-day moving average, rebound and came down again. XLF is a financial ETF. Financial ETF right now is consolidating here, so we have to watch, see what it's gonna do next. I share with you three lists plus a fourth one. First list is the stocks that are in the uptrend but does not have any buy point, such as GoPro, Mobileye, Skyworks Solutions. Second list are the stocks that has broken now, but they're still within the buy range, such as Baidu and Polaris. Third list is the stocks that are currently building a base, such as Palo Alto Networks. And then the next is stock charts from the history, Taser stock charts. Okay, let's take a look at those list. Out of the buy range, uptrend, out of the buy range. GoPro is very high right now. There's no buy range here. The last buy was at the $71. Mobile Eye also broke out here. That's last buy point is $42.65. Right now, Mobile Eye is consolidating on the high level. Skyworks Solution, very nice uptrend, and look at the stocks breaking out, and they're still not near the buy point. Baidu is one, it broke out but still in the buy point. Polaris broke out on Friday, still within the buy point. Under Armour rebound from 50-day moving average, still within the buy point. Let's look at the stock that's building a base. Palo Alto Networks, they're building a 3-week tie pattern here. Base is 102.65. Let's take a look at historical chart for Taser. This is a monthly chart, and we can see the biggest gain comes from the 03 February. Then it goes all the way to 04 or 05. That's it reaches the top. Let's take a look at the Taser daily chart. From the daily chart, you can start with 30 cents per share, all the way gone up to $32 per share. So that's about 100 times increase within a year. If you had invested $10,000 by the end of that, by the next year, same time period, you'll be worth $1 million. So that's how powerful Taser has run up back in 2002. We can look at the stocks, how it moves. It's like a staircase. It's go up and then pull back, and then go up and pull back, and then pull back. This is a flat base, building a flat base, and finally go up again and then pull back. And after it break out from the flat base, and they just keep on going, and then the period of time it just pull back. So every time it pull back, as it break out from that consolidation, that's a buy point. So this is a very strong stock. And today only GoPro seems to have this kind of momentum. So, okay, what to do in the current market? First of all, is hold on to the winning stocks, and hold on to a stock as long as it's still going up, and use trailing stop to get out. As a stop move up, and move up stop order, trigger price, and sell if the stock come down. And there are other sales strategies, such as be able to tell what's a climax top. Please refer to IBD's books and newsletters. They teach you how to recognize a climax top. And then another way is to, if the stock break down support, especially 50-day moving average, which usually are support. But if the stock break down that support, and you have to get out, that's the last line. You have to just get out of there. And then second thing, what to do in this market is get rid of losers. And that's as always have an open order to sell a stock. As soon as you buy the stock, you put a 7 to 8% below the purchasing price as your stop loss order. And if the stop order get triggered and you get out automatically, you will take the loss. But the best loss to take is when the loss is still small. As the stock move up, you just move up your stop order. So you're trailing, it's called trailing stop, which the trigger price keep moving up as the stock goes up. But if the stock's going down, and that's trailing stop order does not change, so you might get out. The stop order will be triggered, and then you're out of the position. So that's how to keep the winning and get rid of keep the winners and get rid of the losers. Okay, that's all for this week. See you next week.